People think that all Italy looks like Rome, but it doesn't, and I'll show you. Today I am in my city. I'm going for a walk because it's a really beautiful day. It's not too cold, not too hot, it's perfect. I'll show you around. I had to put my sunglasses on because I was squinting too much. So what I just show you is the main river that runs through my city and through part of my region, Umbria. Let me show you something else. There is lots of little alleys like this with businesses, mainly mom and pop. That's a tobacco place, travel agency. We're heading up onto a coffee shop right here. And I am getting closer to the very centro. Centro is, it literally means center, but it's the downtown of each city is called centro. So I'll just show you some more as I keep walking, some cute little parts of the city. So this is one of the main streets that takes you to the main square called Piazza della Repubblica, so the Republic Square. Some more alleys in here and here. I'm trying to keep my camera as steady as possible. Also, I hope you enjoy my lisp with my retainer. This is part of Conce, just one area close to the downtown. Obviously there is always graffiti everywhere. I find it so useless. And we are heading finally to the piazza. So we are seeing through this arch, that's the city hall. It's probably one of my favorite sites here in my city. This is the main square, Piazza della Repubblica, and I'll show you a little better everything. So City Hall, lots of coffee shops because Italians love their time at the bar. We call coffee shops bars. This is the Cathedral, Cathedral of San Feliciano. That's a lateral entry. Inside here there is a palazzo from the Middle Ages called Palazzo Trinci. I actually made a video a long time ago about that. I'll link it in the description. I love Italian piazzas because they're so lively. People are sitting down, having their coffee, chatting, maybe gossiping. My city is not very big, it's about 60,000 people, but it can still be lively. There's not much of a sense of a rush here. We are truly just the kings and queens of slow living. That is the entrance of the cathedral that takes you at the very main aisle of the church. I'll show you guys real quickly, but I'm actually editing a video about this church. This is the City Hall from another angle. Fun fact about this, which is not really that fun. So the little tower at the very top crumbled down during the 1997 Umbria and Marche earthquake. And everybody was really sad about it because it is the symbol of the city. But they put it back together beautifully.
Guarda, allora, un periodo un po' baccatello, sai, diciamo.
This is one of the main streets called Corso Cavour. Those are cups. This is a street that gets really lively around the weekend, especially in winter time. People like to just walk and shop. There is lots of different stores. This is like a Sephora. That's a bank. Swarovski. Hello. This is another branch of the City Hall. Some more offices are up here, and down here there is like coffee shops and other little businesses. So we are approaching the end of downtown. So I'm at the opposite side from where I started, and those two columns mark the end of downtown, and then beyond that it's still my city. It is still Foligno, but it's other neighborhoods. So that is it. I think my city is one of the most beautiful in the world, obviously. I want to know what you guys think about it. I know that people, when they think of Italy, they tend to think of Milan, Rome, Naples, Sicily. Every city is different, obviously. This is in central Italy. And let me know what you think. I'm almost at my car.